Financial markets today evolve with unprecedented speed. FBS Trader for iPhone and Android is a mobile trading platform which offers exciting opportunities to traders of all sizes. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play. This video will help you master the interface of FBS Trader in no time. Profit, transfer your funds between accounts, and view the history of your transactions. If you tap Deposit or Withdrawal, you'll see the available payment options. If you're new to FBS, you'll need to create an account. In this case, tap the Registration button. You can sign up with your social network account or email. Choose an option, fill in the registration form, and pick an account you want to create. Now that you have an account, let's begin with the main screen. The screen lists available instruments and displays the economic calendar in the middle. In the upper right corner, you'll find the Search and Sort buttons. Zoom button is in the upper left corner. In the bottom, you can check the type of trading account you use and see your current balance. The navigation buttons are here as well. The trading instruments are grouped into several tabs: Favorites, All, and various categories depending on instrument types. To edit favorites, click the Search button to see the list of all the available instruments. Tap an empty star to add the instrument to Favorites. To remove an instrument from Favorites, tap its filled star. If you tap an instrument, you'll see its chart. The chart will also have the Buy and Sell buttons. The buttons in the upper right corner of this screen let you choose indicators, type, and time frame from the chart. On top of this screen, you'll see the tabs for the instrument: Overview with general information, Orders with the lists of orders for this instrument, and Events with the list of events affecting the instrument. Now, let's talk about the Orders tab. Here, you can access your pending, active, and closed orders. The Settings icon in the upper left corner allows you to activate the one-tap order close function and customize the view. Now, let's go to the Finances tab. Here, you can see the balance of your account. This is also where you deposit money to your account, withdraw your profit, transfer your funds between accounts, and view the history of your transactions. If you tap Deposit or Withdrawal, you'll see the available payment options. If you have any questions or issues, tap More and select Chat. Our support team is available 24/7. In the More tab, you can also see which account you use and switch between demo and standard accounts by swiping the account name left or right. Tap Settings for an account to see your profit and the essential information for this account on one screen. Here, you can enable the Swap Free feature, change the leverage, see your trading statement, and check your partner ID. Tap Profile to see your personal data, proceed with verification, set up your login options, change the confirmation method, check your login history, and log out if necessary. This is also where you can change your password and select your notification preferences. Finally, the FBS Economic Calendar will help you stay up to date with the news. You can switch between Forex and stock events. Filters let you set event dates, importance, and asset types. Click an event to learn more about it. If you want to learn more about trading in general, the Trading Education section is also here for you on the More tab. It includes training courses both for the beginners and for the experienced traders, so you can choose whatever you need. So, you know all the essential features of the FBS Trader app. Keep exploring it, and you'll soon notice that mobile trading can really open new opportunities for you while making your life simpler.